Welcome home to 6985 Hawkins Road in beautiful Sarasota, Florida. This home has been recently renovated from top to bottom, and I cannot wait to share all the amazing features and benefits with you. Come on inside. You know, when you walk into a home, you really want to find that wow factor. What is that one thing when your friends and family are coming in that they think, that's amazing? I found it in this home, and it's this fireplace. You just don't see a natural stone fireplace like this in houses anymore. It's original to the home. It was painstakingly and lovingly brought back to life when the current owners remodeled this property, and it's such a cool piece. I always love to point it out to anyone that's coming to look at this property. Can you imagine cozying up after a long day in this family room? All new flooring, all new paint, all new light fixtures, brand new windows in the front. It's truly a place to come and relax and spend time with family and friends. You can't beat a family room like this. The dining room. Some people say it's the heart of the home. This dining space is huge. You can easily fit a table that fits 16, 18 people in here. Imagine your holidays and Thanksgiving time and meals with your loved ones in a space like this. And when you turn and look that way, you see the amazing private backyard. Pretty cool, right? You know, one of the things that I love most about this kitchen is how large it is. It's truly a chef's dream kitchen. There is so much counter space. And because this home was recently renovated top to bottom, everything in here is brand new. From the stainless steel appliances, to the granite countertops, to the light fixtures, to the soft close drawers, everything in here is top of the line, and I know you'll love spending time in this kitchen. This home features 3 full bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. The master bedroom is at the back of the home and has beautiful views of your private yard. One of the bedrooms that's situated on the other side of the house actually could be turned into an in-law suite. It has its own full private bathroom as well as 2 separate entrances, so you could turn that into a space that someone calls their own. One of the amazing things about this property is it's over an acre and a half of land, and you're literally about 10 miles to Siesta Key Beach, like world famous Siesta Key Beach, and you have an acre and a half of land. This property, including the outside, has been completely redone, from all of the landscaping, the amazing railroad ties that are here framing the yard. You have a circular driveway in the front that also leads up to the 3-car garage, and the driveway extends to the back of the property. So if you have a horse trailer or an RV or a boat, really easy to just pull in your driveway and go park it where you need to. This backyard is completely private. There's also a fun tire swing, there's shaded area, there's some sunny areas. It's perfect for whatever your lifestyle requires. This community is just minutes off of Clark Road and is just steps away from Twin Lakes Park. A cool thing too is there is no HOA, no deed restrictions, and the house sits back from the main road, so you really get that quiet and that serenity that you may be looking for. If you would like to set up a private showing or have any questions about what's going on in our real estate market, please contact us directly. You can check out our website at zarghamigroup.com, and we'll see you at our next listing.